What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video, and I'm here to do an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, I did pick up the unlocked version, and I also got the Phantom black one. So you can pick this up in a variety of colors. Like I said, the black Phantom, they have a Phantom white, burgundy, green, and oh yeah, the prices are starting at $12.99 because Samsung is giving you an upgrade to the 256GB variant for the same price without a trade-in. Now, if you have a phone that you can pick up and trade in, you can get this as low as $4.99. So keep that in mind if you're thinking about getting this. You can also choose to get a much larger storage size, up to 512GB and 1 terabyte. Also, Samsung do have some exclusive colors that you can pick this baby up in. You can get it in a graphite, sky blue, red. I mean, I think it's kind of a red, but it's not as quite as red as like the iPhone version of it, but it's still a pretty cool color to pick it up in. Okay, so some of the highlights of the Galaxy S22 Ultra is that it can shoot 8K video, does have super steady video, it has the embedded S Pen, which is pretty much one of the main features that attracted me to this S22 Ultra. Also, it has new night photography, night mode, quad camera with a 1080p with a 108 megapixel main lens. Now, this particular lens can shoot up to 100 times what they call space zoom, single take, director's view. It has a bright display with vision booster, has adaptive color contrast, has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8, number 8, Gen 1, long-lasting 5,000 milliamp battery. Again, this is 5G capable. Supports super fast charging. Premium design, live sharing with Google Duo. If you're doing like that co-watching thing, it has Bluetooth 5.2, 12 gigs of RAM. I mean, it goes on and on and on. USB to C to C. So let's unbox it, and enough with all the talking. The thin box do lead you to believe that there will be no type of charging brick on board. Real nice phone, beautiful. Put this to the side. You do have a SIM injector tool. C2C cable. And pretty much nothing special. That's pretty much it. Get to the phone. Real nice camera array. I like this. It's almost like a matted black. Has some nice weight to it. I like the corners of it. The S Pen on the left side, which is something I prefer it to be on the right side, but it is what it is. You got a speaker up in the earpiece, one bottom firing speaker, Type C. On the bottom is where your SIM card will go at. Everything is on the right side of the left side of the phone. I'm sorry, your power button and your volume rocker. Microphone up top. And you got the Samsung branding on the back. Again, like I said, this is the 256GB variant. I'm going to go ahead and get this turned on really quick for you. See if it's got any juice in it. I do like the camera array. Like I said, I'm looking for some major improvements when it comes to the camera with Samsung. Samsung always have their own particular profile when it comes to the way they take pictures and actual colors that they produce. Again, this is a 6.8 inch AMOLED display. Pretty much the best display on any smartphone. You can't even say Apple has the best display, because guess who make Apple displays? Samsung. It's supposed to have up to 40 hours of talk time with this battery. I'm going to go ahead and get this set up, and I'm going to jump right back in. I'm going to have some other phones to compare with, so give me 1 second. So I'm going to do a real quick size comparison with, the main competition of this phone. First up, let's look at the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Compare the size, and as you can, the actual Samsung S22 is slightly taller than the 21, and it's actually a wider phone. Next up, the regular iPhone 13 Pro. No comparison in the size. Let's check the width. The 22 Ultra is a way more wider phone, and the 12 Pro Max. The 22 Ultra is a much taller phone. Let's check the width. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is a wider phone, slightly wider than the 22 Ultra. So that's been my unboxing. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to do a nice walkthrough. I'm going to do a couple of verses with this phone against the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and the iPhone 13 Pro. So be on the lookout for those videos. And again, thanks each and every last one of you guys for coming to this unboxing. I know you've seen quite a bit of these, but this is the retail version unlocked from Samsung's website of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, I will leave some links down below if you're interested in picking this up from Samsung. They have some pretty good discounts, and I also will leave some links to Best Buy. Pick either one, doesn't really make a difference. But the one thing that does matter, that those links do help my channel, and if you use that, I get a very, very small kickback that I can put back into the channel and help improve my videos. So again, thanks, and catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.